Hi, my name is Engr.Muhammad Rizwan. I am online mathematics and physics tutor. I am experienced, qualified and professional online mathematics and physics tutor. I did mechanical engineering, master in pure mathematics and Bachelor of Science Teacher Education. Now my master in science teacher education is in progress. My teaching method is most effective and according to my students' level. It is also practice based. Some students are weak in math and physics because they need more practice. So I use problem solving method and problem solving techniques and discovery method. In my teaching method, my students learn new concepts from me and I explain the new concepts on digital whiteboard. My students take these concepts and I provide them new questions and my students try to solve these new concepts, new problems according to concepts. I also help them when they make mistakes. At the end of each lesson, I try to provide them some homeworks related to concepts. In this way, I try to produce critical thinking in my students. If my students works daily with me in 1 hour and also do their homework, then it will produce good ideas in their mind and they can solve new problems and they are ready for new challenges. My students are from different countries and recently my students are from Saudi, Oman, Nigeria, Singapore and USA. As I believe that online tutor without teaching setup, without professional instruments, is like a body without soul, is like a fish without water. So, I have all professional instruments. This is my Samsung CU03 microphone. If by this microphone, professional microphone, students can listen clear, loud and without noise sound. So my students can listen my clear and loud sound. Sometimes students want to learn geometry, construction of triangles and construction of rectangles, squares and concepts related to circles. So for geometry, if I write on my graphic pen tablet, then it is not it is not good. I use this graphic pen tablet when I teach math and physics. My students see my writing on digital whiteboard and they also practice with me on my digital whiteboard. This is my graphic pen tablet. But for sometimes for physics questions, physics numericals and sometimes geometry problems, we need to work on conventional whiteboard. So I have a teaching geometry box. These are the parts of my teaching geometry box. These are my teaching geometry box. This is my scale, okay? And I use this geometry box, and write on my conventional whiteboard. I turn my camera. I am using Logitech 4K Brio webcam. So for this webcam, my students can see my writing clear and HD. I turn my camera and see my whiteboard. This is my 4 by 8 4 by 8 area whiteboard. So you can see my writing clear. So now camera is away from my whiteboard. So when I need to teach on my whiteboards, then I take my camera close to my whiteboard, then my writing becomes more clear. So each and everything is complete. Daily I teach 5 to 6 hours online to my students. I am also a government teacher. I also teach offline 5 to 6 hours to my students. I also teach online to my students. My students are from different countries. So if you are looking for a good tutor, good experienced, qualified and professional online mathematics and physics tutor, then I am best choice. I am best choice, and you should give me a one chance, and I hope your son and daughter will enjoy my teaching method. My teaching method is not boring, and it is according to my students' level, okay? And my students, my all students also enjoy my teaching method, and day by day they gives results. Let me know if you need my services. Thanks for watching my video. Bye.